All right, I just got a call from my brother. He got a buck down, so let's go help him out. Whew. Oh, I see all three of them. It's a doe and two big fawns. Can you hear me? Okay. My brother on it again. A nice 3x3 buck. Whew. How'd you get this one, Lou?
I was on the other side of the hill over there, and then I was looking on this side, and this buck was chasing these does, running over here, chasing them around, and then he stopped for a little bit, and then took a shot and got him.
Buck down. That's good. That's hella good. That's a yeah. He got that. He got one eye guard. Whew, but you put in work though. That's what you got to do.
Yeah, it's been a lot of trips, a lot of miles.
Damn. Buck down, a successful trip, but we definitely had to earn it. Look at the slope that we're gonna have to climb up here. This is like 50-degree angle here, no joke. I need to walk all the way up there to the top. That's where the road is. I think it's about 3 or 4 right now. This hike up with the pack with the deer is taking us 3.5 hours so far. I think I got another hour to get all the way to the top maybe. It's a slow grind. Any of you guys who's hunted deer or big game and you got to pack in, pack out, you know what I'm feeling right now. I'm losing my voice, totally exhausted, taking a lot of breaks. I'm hoping to get to the car before it gets too dark though. Slow and steady. Yo. Wasn't that far?
Good thing the fog rolled in a little later, because if it was like this, I wouldn't have been able to see. I was right here. I was sitting down the whole time, and then got up the stretch, and then looked up. Hella deer just started like popping out of nowhere over there. There's a little clearing.
That's hella far, dude.
80 yards.
That's it? Oh, it looks farther than that.
Yeah.
That clearing over there?
Yeah, clearing right there. The hell deer started popping out. Oh, and then I saw one with the antler, and then I hit him with the mat, and then he stopped. He was behind the tree a little bit. I couldn't see his vitals, and then he moved a little bit, and that's when I shot. And as soon as I shot, you see him like just run hell fast.
Oh.
Head down, crash into those bushes.
You want me to stay here and keep an eye, or how do you want to do this?
We'll both go there.
Okay. Is that fresh? Oh, yeah, it's fresh blood. Where was he at? You remember? So he came down here.
I see a buck.
He didn't get that far. I see the white. You're a killer. You're a killer, bro. Look at this. Blood trails. Blood trails. We got a second down buck. My brother's tagged out. Whoo. Yes. Damn, let's take a look at that. This is smaller than the one he got the other day, but shoot, man. Any buck's a good buck here in California. I don't care what nobody say. Hooey, look at that.
Right.
Look at a kill shot right there. One shot. He didn't run more than probably 50 yards.
Yeah, 50 yards. Mm-hmm.
That's it. All right. Tagged out. Damn. Good job, bro.